Good morning. Today is February 14th, 2025. Welcome to another episode of Legal Grounds Morning Cup. I'm your host, Texas consumer and real estate attorney, Benjamin Sanchez. Happy Valentine's Day. Today, love is in the air, and I want to give a special shout out to my office manager's daughter, Emily, for giving everyone a heart-shaped box of chocolates. Thank you, Emily, for that special thing. Today, I'm going to discuss love in its most material form, an engagement ring. So stick around and learn something about engagement rings in today's Morning Cup. Today, Valentine's Day, many people will decide to give proposals to their significant others with a engagement ring. The problem is that we all know in this society, many relationships are not successful. And in fact, in the US, half of all marriages end in divorce. But why do you want to discuss that on the day of love? I think you should have this tip, whether you're the person doing the engagement, giving the engagement, or the person being asked to be married. What about that engagement ring? In Texas, and this is a state issue, so this is not a national issue. Every state may have their own law, but in Texas, if you give someone an engagement ring, it is considered a gift. You are not entitled necessarily to get that ring back. There is an exception, however. If the person that received the ring is at fault in the breakup, then they have to give the ring back. By law, the person who gave the ring is entitled to get that ring back because they were not at fault in the breakup. Now, the person who gave the ring, if they're at fault, then of course, they're not going to get the ring back because you can't give a gift and then be at fault in the breakup and then expect to get the ring back. The real gray area is when supposedly no one's at fault. So if you have a case where you have just fundamental disagreements, it's not that anyone's really at fault. It's just that you come to learn each other better, and you just ended up deciding that you didn't want to go through with it. In that case, I would call that like a no-fault breakup, and still the person receiving the ring gets to keep it because it was a gift, right? So the only time that the person given the ring can expect it back is if the person that gave it to is at fault in the breakup. If there's no fault or the giver is at fault, then they don't get the ring back. So think about that today when you're all lovey-dovey and you got love in your eyes. If you get in the ring, be careful. If you're given the ring, be extra careful. So I hope you've learned something today. I really do hope that everyone has a lovely, lovely day on this day of love, and that the relationships that result in engagements today will be successful and go on to marriages. Thank you guys and have a great day. It's Benjamin Sanchez. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.